show you how gutter stuff can be cut so that it fits over gutter straps. So on all gutters, you're going to have gutter straps typically every 4 feet, and some are a little bit lower and some are a little bit higher in the gutter. In this case, they're sitting up closer to the top of the gutter. And what we want to do is we want to cut the gutter stuff so that it fits over the straps rather than going under the straps. So in this case, this gutter stuff has already been cut, and you can see here how it was cut, and it just sits right over that bracket. To cut it, you would just take a typical utility knife, and you simply want to turn over the gutter stuff where the gutter strap would come into it. You just make this cut that goes up maybe 3/4 of an inch up the foam like that, and then you're simply going to place gutter stuff over the strap, and you will fit it into the gutter so that it just sits over it just like that. And it's a real nice application. It just goes right over the strap, and the strap is buried within the gutter stuff.